Hi, Casey. I have a little baby cockatiel here for you. And it's got the tiniest little voice because it's still young. And it likes playing with my hair. Kiss. Come on. Come on. That's just the camera. Yeah. Want to go see? Huh? Yeah. Look over here. Dylan. Good birdie. What a good bird. Cockatiels don't like a lot of holding, a little bit of petting, but they don't like to, you know, be in your clutches at all. Like that. She goes, "Mom, stop it. I don't want that mushy stuff." Yeah, you're so cute. You're more precious. Precious little birdie. Okay, we have tons of cockatiels. This one's just weaned. And go to our site, pick out your cockatiel, or there's a whole bunch of different other kinds of birds that you know could be your pet, could be your friend for life, almost. Hey. Yes. Oops. So our site is Flybabies Aviary, aviary.com, and we're trying to build our channel a little bit on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe and tell your birdie friends about us. And ring the notification bell. Yeah.
And they'll be notified.
Yeah, you'll get all the latest. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty fancy. Beautiful, beautiful bird. Are you a little boy or little girl? I don't know, you're darling. You're a darling little bird. Yes, you are.